Alright, so today I'm going to be making some Buckeyes for my daughter. She requested them yesterday. We're going to start out with 1 cup powdered sugar sifted, half a cup of creamy peanut butter, whatever brand you have, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and this is about a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet. I eyeballed that. That's going to be used later for coating the Buckeyes, so we'll put that aside right now. So first step you're going to do is take your peanut butter, slap that on in there, grab my big spatula, throw your butter in, and just stir that up and combine the peanut butter and the powdered sugar together. And I hate this spatula, so I'm going to go to my trusty spoon. Sometimes things are just better off using spoons. So as I'm going to mix this, I'm just going to throw you on pause for a few seconds until I get this all combined and mixed up. Okay, so once this is all mixed together, blend it up. Keep mixing until you don't see any more of the powdered sugar. Alright, so now I'm just going to wash my hands again real quick because we're going to start rolling. Okay, so once you are equipped with clean hands, if you have one of these, they're great. It's nice little, probably 1-inch scoop. Just grab some peanut butter mix, roll it into a nice little ball. My hands make the weirdest balls. And then there's one. It's a nice little bite-sized treats to have. They don't have to be perfect. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can certainly use a spoon. Quick little easy treats to make. As soon as you get done rolling, you're going to be popping this into the freezer. Let them freeze up. About half hour to an hour anyway. Depending on the size of the balls that you make, you can get more out of this recipe. So we're one shy short here, but that's okay. So let's take this and I'll go pop that in the freezer for roughly half an hour to an hour, and we'll be back to coat. Okay, so on the stove I have in my double boiler, which just consists of a pot with water and a stainless steel bowl. I have about roughly a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet. And we're going to melt this down until they're all melted. It's not going to take too long, about 5 minutes or so. You don't want your water boiling in there. If you want, in a microwave safe bowl, you can melt this in the microwave. Just pop it in about 30-second increments. And while this is melting, I still have my Buckeyes in the freezer. They've been in there about an hour. Alright, so that's all melted. Okay, so peanut butter balls have been in the freezer for about an hour just to firm up. We have our melted chocolate, and I just took some wooden skewers, cut them down to size because I'm going to leave the Buckeyes on the stick just for easy dipping and handling. So what you're doing, you're just going to coat the balls, place them on a wax lined cookie sheet. You're only coating about 3/4 of the way up on the ball. So I'm going to finish coating these up and we'll be right back. So the Buckeyes are all coated with the chocolate. I'm going to leave the sticks on them because, like I said, they're more easier to handle and just grab and go. So just pop this in the freezer. It will set a lot quicker, and I like to keep these in the refrigerator. So we'll be back once they're all set up. Okay, so these are nicely set out of the freezer. Just slap these right on the plate. And there you have it. Let's give it a taste. These are really good. So give these ones a try. Quick and easy. Kids love them. It's good for this time of year for the holiday season coming up. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.